All right, welcome to Epic Libations, everybody. Today, we're making one of my greatest cocktails of all time, at least one of my favorites. It's called Louisianne. You wanna know what you're talking about when you walk up to the bar? This is what you order. We'll start with 1.5 ounces of rye whiskey. After that, some sweet vermouth, 3/4 ounce. After that, Benedictine. If you don't know about Benedictine by now, I can't help you. If you know, you know. All right, lid for that, lid for that. Now we're going in Peychaud's bitters, 4 or 5. Good old Angostura bitters, 4 or 5. Add some rocks because we're going to stir this. You want to stir this for about 30 seconds or so. See some condensation building up on the outside there. That's a good indication right there. Nice cocktail glass. We're gonna strain this. Actually, what you want to do to make it that much extra, little absinthe spritz. Then, if you want to be fancy, toss a little cherry in there. The Louisianne. Oh my God. I'm telling you, the classics are over 100 years old for a reason. Absolute legendary. Like I said, you want to know what you're talking about when you walk into the bar? Order this.